Hello and welcome, it's Andy Wright and this is Training the Right Way, where we tell you how to use various software and hardware. So here we have this Olive video editor. It is open source and free of charge. It's been in development for a number of years. This version 0.01 is dated 2019. There is another version 0.02 which is more current, but obviously the developers do put out a warning that it's not reliable and it could crash. So be careful if you have any projects that you're doing and you want to obviously have reliability, then be aware that probably not a good idea to rely on it as of yet. However, having said that, it's been in development for a number of years. I think that the 0.01 version is fairly stable, and having used it, it's pretty good. So what we're going to be doing in this series is looking at Olive from the point of view of a beginner, and later on hopefully we'll be able to move through to advanced level as well. It's quite in depth, so hopefully you can follow along, and we'll get started with part one. Thanks for watching.